Whether it's a new garment or the button on your clothes came off, don't be scared. It's simple and easy to sew on a button by hand. You need a button, needle, thread, and scissors. Thread the needle and double up that thread. Tie a knot at one end by rolling it in your finger. On this jacket, I can see where the button used to be sewn on and can use that same spot. Take a bite out of the fabric with the needle, but don't go through both layers. This way, no thread is visible on the inside of the jacket. You can do this if the fabric is on the heavier side. If working with lighter weight fabrics, pierce all layers of fabric, and there will be stitching visible on both sides, but that's totally okay. Since this button has 4 holes, I'm sewing them on diagonally, 3 times in each direction, holding the button slightly away from the fabric. The reason we're doing this is to create a shank, space for fabric to lie in between the button and garment. Wind your thread a few times around that open space, then push the needle through the shank and tie another knot. You can hide the thread end by running the needle in between the layers of fabric for a few inches, pulling the needle out in another spot, and clipping the thread. To secure the thread, I like to dab on a tiny bit of fray check sealant. And that's it, you have now sewn on a button. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and consider subscribing to the Sewing Report for sewing, crafting, and DIY videos.